Hello friends, welcome to Insight Learners. So in this video we have the update on the referral drive. Basically the company name is Tech Mahindra. So we have the referrals for this Tech Mahindra, and they have open positions for multiple position for multiple roles, like around 22 plus roles are there. And the location for this, it is Bangalore, Hyderabad, Pune, Noida and Chennai. So details about this drive is that, so first they have given the mail ID, so you just need to send your profile and you just need to update your you can attach your updated resume, and you can send the mail, and if you are shortlisted you'll be getting the details for this work-in drive. So this particular hiring, it's a work-in drive which will be conducted from 5th of May to 9th of May, between 5th to 9th May 2026. So make sure you register today itself, and the experience for this, it is 4 to 16 years. So if you are within this range, then you can apply for this. And the work model is that it's a hybrid in which you are supposed to cover 12 days per month. So here are the different positions they have, like senior AI engineer, AI architect, AlLops, MLOps, then Java or Python backend developers, full stack developers, AWS DevOps, then data engineers, product owner, GraphDB developer, and the UI engineer, UI or UX designer. And also they have open positions for the project manager, Scrum Master, and the program manager, and the solution engineer, architect, and the technical product managers. So they have variety of open positions for different roles, and make sure you take this opportunity, and if you are eligible, and so these will be the locations in which the work-in drive will be conducted, either in Bangalore, Hyderabad, Pune, Noida or Chennai. So you can visit any of the nearest place for this work-in. And so these are the mail for the referral. So there are 4 different mails. So if you need this mail, I can send it in the Telegram group. So make sure you send your mail or the details to any one of this email ID, so to this Tech Mahindra team. So in that you can send your resume, and you can mention the complete details, the current experience details, and the role you are applying. So make sure you choose the role, and you can mention for which role you are interested, and also you can mention the years of experience, the notice period, and you can share the resume to this respective mail ID. So you can send to any one of the mail ID, and if you are shortlisted, they are going to send you the details for the work-in drive. So note that the work-in drive starts from 5th of May to 9th of May. So make sure you send the you can ask for the referral today itself, and you can note down this mail IDs. So these are the details about the referral drive for the Tech Mahindra. So it is great opportunity for the experienced graduates, and they have open positions for variety of roles. So make sure you ask the referral, and you can prepare on the same. So these are the details about this referral drive, and thank you friends for watching, and do subscribe to the channel for more updates.